Okay, this is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. And also again, another game night tonight, Tuesday night basketball action. Handog po yun ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, ito po muli po ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. Ulitin ko po natin. Meron pa po 2 stats po remaining po sa ating Class D Division, Intermediate Division ng Class D Division para po sa ating liga. Muli, this is your PSBQ Basketball League. Thank you po and have a nice game po sa inyo. This is your final game sa preliminaries between Cardinals and Spencer. Spencer has to win this game to stay on top or else Cardinals will spoil their game. Eto po, sorry po ganyan. Ito pamintuan. Pamintuan. Dirk Caroso, yes, no good. Ay si Karen, nakuha ni paminto ng bola. Pamintuan nagmamadali. 2 points. And 1 play made by Pamintuan. And pasok na. Biggie, thank you ha, take care. Shoutout sa'yo, Mr. Sige, magsusi kayo. Di magsusi kayo. Magsusi ka mag-isa mo, sige ka na. And ay! Foul, call on Bondok.
Kailan mo kukunin? Kailan mo kukunin?
Ako, 2 points na ako. Okay, 4-3. Laman po Cardinals ng isa. Take note, wala po si Bongbong ha. Wala rin si Domdom. Dirk, no good. Good morning po. This is your second game for tonight. Second game for tonight po tayo yun. Between 2 points. Number 6, 2 points. Wala pa si Sambales dito sa asin ha. Escala driving. Bustos, pops up. No. Baltasar, nakaribang. Bondok. Pamintuan driving. And 2, sino to? Seras, 3 points made. Sino na sa first game? Sir, nanalo pong Oryx, sir. Kanto, wala. Foul Golden Dirk.
Hindi ba Webes? Boss, ibang Webes. Ay, kaya pala nang pabili ka ng crispy bata eh. Bibili na lang bata. Crispy bata ka.
Lagyan nyo ng fentanyl pare, para mas masarap.
Wag, kami kakain eh. May bisita lang. Galing yung mataw.
Tapos naka-live po yung pentamid niya.
Okay, Pamintuan. The score is 5-8. Laman po ang Spencer ng 3 against Repolyo. Bondok. Again, pumalo si number 6. Pasok muli. Okay, back-to-back field goals ni number 6. Back-to-back free throw. Repolyo again. Repolyo pops up for 3. Bang! Si Din! The score is 8-10. Naman pa rin po ng 2 ang Spencer. Walang pinasahan si Pamintuan. Teka lang. May scaffold. Teka lang po. Ano sabi ng referee? The referee says same ball. Same ball, same ball. And Espelas number 5 pops up. Wala. Nandun si Pamintuan. Touch last. Ay, si Repolyo. Galay. Naiulog shot. Wala. Tumama sa back ring. Pamintuan. Driving. Nakawala. And it's outside. Ngepre. Pamintuan, second first throw. Pamintuan, this free throw is brought to by Imprenta. Ingat boss, Imprenta Advertising. First shot ni Pamintuan, number 26. First shot, pasok. Okay, 2 shots made, 12-9 ang score. 12-9 and 2 points. De Campo, 2 points. Bondok. Pamintuan driving. Pamintuan. Bondok for 3. Nope. Dagbagali. And to Pamintuan again. Pamintuan. Beswell. Espelas, no good. Baltasar naka-rebound. Okay, lagi mo na fentanyl, pare. Ingat boss ha. Ingat pre. Okay, De Campo, 2 points. 11-14 ang score po natin. Repolyo. Bustos. Boarding. Nope. It's Galay's foul. Shoutout pala kay
Number 17, Galay. Pushing foul. First personal foul. 13 foul. Pamintuan.
Shoutout po kay Olabel Bacala. Nasaan ka na, Bacala? Where are you? Oh, 5 minutes 7 change pa po tayo. Shoutout po kay Oliver Bacala. Bacala, where are you? Ha? Ano na? Bukas yung Carrefour ha? Pero ano pa, may konti na pa doon. Ganda ng ano para, tripod mo ha? Gano'ng kataas yan? Magkano siya? Magkano? 65 lang ito. Pwede na rin. Espelas, 2 points again. Wala pang mintis. Ay hindi, nagmintis pala isa. 3 out of 4 field goals already by Espelas. Ibarra. Maninang, 2 points Maninang. Please note, Spencer has to win this game para po to stay on top, or else pag natalo po sila dito, they'll go back to third place yata sa ranking. Bondok for 3. Ibarra driving. Algona, Ibarra nakuha. Wala. Pamintuan driving. Pamintuan. Espelas kapos. Rebound ni Johnny. Whoop. Foul number 25 ni Maninang. Cardinals warning for the penalty. This is an interesting game already. Espelas. Nice one by Giliena. 2 points. 11. Giliena, pasok ang bola. Ibarra muli. Nagmamadali. Side step 2 points. Ibarra. And there's a timeout called by Spencer. The score is 13-21. Please note po, medyo kulang po ang Cardinals team po. Wala si Domdom, wala si Bongbonga, at wala rin si Cabello. Ay, good luck ha, DJ Giana. Good luck, DJ Giana. Saan kayo nag-champion pa lang ngayon, pre? Buong nananalo yung mga ibang subsidiary nga. Saan liga yun? Saan liga yun? Yung mga nag-champion na mga yung sinape. Saan liga yun?
Friday ata.
Oo. Kasi idol, ingat ha. Ice cream, pre. Okay, pamintuan. Eugenio! Nagbalay sa ere and one play pa! Nagbalay sa ere, pasok ang bola. Okay, balik po muli po tayo. Now this time na rounds, balik na rin naman natin yung mga kababayan ng balasahin natin naman yun. Ito. This free throw is brought to you by ANC Kitchen. Quality pampagana sa iyong hapagkailan. Nandun po rin ang ANC Kitchen. Ito po ang chili garlic oil. Nandun po rin ang ANC Kitchen. To order, just visit the page for details. ANC Kitchen. Ibarra for 3. Pops up. Yes, sirree! Nice shot by Ibarra. Giliana. Eugenio. Wala. Manina naka-rebound. Maninang driving. Nako, nawala ang bola. Nawala ang bola and 2 points. Pamintuan for 2. Abiona, pagkinipahan na naman. Pasok. Ay, hindi. Lumipas. Hoy, di kami kasali rito. Ayan na, si Yagin. Shoutout po, Madam Fe. How are you, Madam Fe? Shoutout po sa iyo and good luck po sa DJ Giana. Ibarra again for 3. Nope. Side step move. 2 points. Ibarra. Nakuha. Intercepted. Contesto. Arjona, Manina. Nakuha ni Paminto ng bola. And nakuha naman Ibarra ang bola. Ibarra pops up for 3. Malakas. Giliana. Hop. Nakuha. Arioda. Yes, sirree. 2 points. The score is 20-26. 6 points been posted by Spencer. Okay, ito po, Pamintuan driving. And wala sa ilalim. Foul number 23. Penalty situation. Pamintuan shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Maes Kitchen. Quality pampagana, hindi po yan. Ito po ang Maes Kitchen. Sagot yan ang mga merenda po natin po sa Maes Kitchen. Ito po ay located po always sa the Beto Station area. Ito Maes Kitchen. Pamintuan second throw, pasok. Ayan na. We like to thank the great for Coach Rosel and company for gracing the team. O si Winax, nandiyan dito si Winax na rin. And lost the ball. Whoop. Okay, counter flow, counter. Overruled. Puti, white ball. Pamintuan. Espuelas. Driving. No. Up, it's foul. Foul call of Manina as a pushing foul. Okay na po. Second personal foul in Manina. Espuelas number 5 shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by MC Cargo. ang iyong padala ay laging safe at sigurado. MC Cargo. In 2 branches po yan. In 2 branches po yan. 1 in Doha and 1 in Dubai. MC Cargo. Marika Cargo. Second turn is Pelas. Pasok. Nothing but net. Banawag. Ibarra for 3. Bang! Pamintuan. Nagmamadali. Pamintuan. No! Ibarra for the rebound. Ibarra. Banawag. 2 points. Banawag. 2 points. Banawag. 2 points. Banawag. Espuelas. Being bounded by Maninang. Espuelas. 2 points. Side step move. Ibarra for 3. Nope. And nakuha ni Contesto. Nope. Nakuha ni Espuelas sa bola. Espuelas. Side step move na naman. Nope. Masyadong malakas. Nakuha ni Guriena. And tapos ang bola. First quarter action kalas. Second quarter action coming up. This is your, of course, ang liga naman sikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Back up, kid. Shade is back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Okay, second quarter action. This time around, sino po sila? Galay and Company versus Baltasar and Company naman. Sa Spencer and Yosa Yagin now reporting in. Yagin to Escala. Papsa for 3 agad. No. Ayan, Espelas. And it's a foul called on Galay. Early foul. Galay called for the foul. And also this game is also brought to you by Thread and Needles. Thread and Needles apparel po yan. Thread and Needles po ha. Masyado po sa Thread and Needles po. Sabi ng coach ng Spencer, 3 points, nope. Ayan si Dirk Giliena. Walang pinasahan, almost. Espuelas. Giliena driving. Baltasar shooting for 2. Out of Galay, MC Cusin. Ang ayong panlasa ay laging sigurado. Avail po yan sa aming quality pastil in town. Our shop is always located in John Station area in Alsad in Doha. MC Cusin, ang iyong panlasa ay laging sigurado. Baltasar second throw, no. Nakuha ni Repolyo, Escala. 5-point lead, bin posted na lang ng Spencer. Jercel Yagin, Kapos, nakuha ni Saldanya. Escala, Repolyo for 3. Wala, nakuha ni and white ball. Pre, magsinta sila pag ano, pag nito, pag yung full height, pag magsinta sila. Bang! Sirin! Magsinta sila. Magkano siya? Next ano pare, balik sa katubis ng pre, i-order mo ako 2. Oh. Galay, 2 points, Galay. I-order mo ako para dalawa. Magkano siya isa? Espelas, no good. Patayin ko, sige. Escala, back-to-back point pa Escala. Highlight. Oh, back-to-back ano. Pre, kung ano, may pasta doon, pre, kung nagutom ka. May pasta doon, pasta. Kiliena, nakuha ni Eds, Scapol, ayun. Nakuha ni Repolyo, 2 points Repolyo. Nakuha Repolyo, malapit ka mag-salad. Okay. Eugenio, nakakuha ng pick kay Scala. Baltasar, lost the ball. Same ball. 12 to shoot. Hop. Same ball. Okay, Espelas, agad pa mapasahan. Nando si Dirk, pasok ang bola. And yung playmate naman, binalik. Repolyo. Back to back. Maganda. Both teams want to win very badly. This free throw is brought to you by HB Kicks. From Jordan to LeBron's, HB Kicks had all for you. HB Kicks, to order the shoes, just visit the FB page for details. 7 minutes, 21 seconds remaining. Giliena, Espelas, nope, malakas. Galay. Nakuha ni Espelas. Baltasar, tapos. 2 points, Baltasar. Escala. Again, tatlo muli kalamangan. Repolyo. Galay, driving. Galay, pops up, nope. Ayun si Saldana. Lost the ball. Espelas. Giliena, pops up for 2, nope. Nope talaga. Yagin for the rebound. Repolyo. Pops up, nope. Escala, malakas. Kick pass. Nakuha ni Yagin ang bola. Yagin for 3. Nope. Esperi, Giliena, 2 points. Easy play. Escala. And some playmate. Wow, by Repolyo. Foul on Baltasar. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Qatar Sublimation by Ziranyada. Quality uniforms for all kind of shape, sports, and sizes. Ano po yan ng Qatar Sublimation Sportswear? Hoy, hi. Sino to? SBQ, hi na. Baltasar to Espelas. Eugenio, nope. Ayan, si Repolyo. Malakas. Dakuha. Nisandaan niya. Wala pa rin. Foul. Pushing foul, Eugenio. Okay, change player naman po tayo yun. Medyo underman po pa ng Spencer ha. Take note ha. Ang Spencer, kulang din po lang. Hindi sila dumating lahat. compared to Cardinals. Medyo malalang bench ng Cardinals pa lang.
This is score 38.
Okay, now Ibarra and company. Ibarra and company pasok to Banawa to Ibarra. Ibarra pops up. No. Rebound! Pushing foul! Pushing foul. Number 18. Bondesto. Pamintuan. May tangan ng bola. Pamintuan pops up. Nice shot by Espelas. Ibarra. Yagin, fadeaway shot, wala. Nakuha ni Ibarra. Nice one. Number 23, 2 points. Ariona, 2 points. Giliena, nope. Nice one by Banawag. Take note, 42-43 na po. Cardinals getting into the ball game already. Giliena pops up. Nope. Nando si Banawag. Leading the charge. Banawag traveling violation, sabi ni referee. Sabi ni ref, ikay nagta-travel, wala kang pasipote. Bawal yan. Okay, balik po tayo. Fadeaway shot. Nope. Ibarra pops up. Yes, sirree. Okay, change favor na po tayo. This time Cardinals by 1 point. Pamintuan. Nice shot by Espelas. Ariona, 2 points. Ariona. Bondok. Wala. Contesto. Pops up. Wala. Pamintuan naman. Bondok. Wala. Malakas. Pamintuan. Sumubok. Kinikat muna kay Giliena. Giliena driving. Side step move. Jolens. Tapos. Nice shot by Giliena. Cardinals on the line. Maninang. Banawag leading the charge. So, Ibarra for 3. Bang! Yan ang kailangan kay Ibarra. And wala pinasahan. Birador yan, pre. Si Ibarra may mga pag triple to kusakan si Ibarra kaya pag medyo bakit? Merong yan na yung wala less than 1 second flat shot, 3 points na gawa niya sa madalian. Maganda ang kamay niya, grabe. Catch and shoot, kaya niya. Catch and shoot. Ano siya? Maganda yan. This is your best big basketball league. Any teams want to join our league, just visit the page for details. Yan. Yes, Iowa Nation, ngayon lang po nagsimula yung laro po natin. Medyo napahaba po yung unang laro kasi. Just sit back and relax po mga guys. Okay, 1 minute 55 seconds remaining, 49-47. Lamang po ang Cardinals ng dalawa. Ito na po tayo, Banawag. Ibarra, binabantayan. Ibarra, fadeaway shot. Pasok! fire si Ibarra. Ibarra on fire. Bondok, nope. Nakuha. Panawag. 2 points Panawag. Kinaywa. 54-47. 52-47. Pamintuan. Nope. Rebound. Ayun. Kiliana 2 points. 44-49. 5 po kalamangan. 50 seconds remaining. Panawag. Ariona driving. Contesto to Ibarra. Ibarra na yung mag-isa. Tapos. Eto na. Bondok. Kiliana. 2 points. Tatlo. Cardinals lamang ng 3 po. Panawag, Johnny. Panawag, 2 points Panawag. Kiliana. Wala. Maninang. 1 second remaining. And no more. After 2 quarters po, the score is 56-51. Laman po ng 5 ang Cardinals. This is your best BQ Basketball League. Kaya, Manny, owner eh. Okay, this is your best BQ Basketball League. Any teams want to join our league, just visit every page for details. And also, again, another game night tonight, Tuesday night basketball action, ando po yun ang Facebook Basketball League. Okay, ito po muli po ang yung Facebook Basketball League. Ulitin po na time. Meron pa po ang 2 stats po remaining po sa ating Class D Division. Intermediate Division ang Class Division para po sa ating liga. Ulit, this is your best BQ Basketball League. Thank you po and have a nice game po sa inyo.
Bye.
Okay. Second half action. 56-51. Laban po ang Cardinals. Pamintuan. Ayun. Esperas, side step move, floater shot, pasok. This game is also brought to you by Trading Nils Apparel. Ang kanilang apparel maker po na Spencer. Escala, Jolens, wala. Nakuha ni Bustos. Repolyo, pops up, nope. Galay, nagmamadali. And it's a foul. Baltasar called for the foul. Escala for the inbound. Escala for the inbound. Saldana, nope. Repolyo driving. Repolyo, Escala for 3. Nope. Ayun si Saldana. 2 points Saldana. Living the name of the great Pere Saldana. Espelas for 3. Wala. Oh. Tinulak. Tinulak. Bustos called for the foul. Pamintuan. Espelas, fade away shot, wala. Nakuha ni Saldana ang bola. Repolyo, Saldana, Bustos, wala. Same ball. Sabi ni referee Hans, same ball daw. Galay, boarding, tapos ang bola, pasok. Pamintuan. Pops up. Nope. Baltasar, 2 points Baltasar. Escala. Escala driving. Floater. Nope. Escala muli. Escala na yung mag-isa. 2, wala. Pinalong palabas. Espelas, nagmamadali. Saldana, wala. Eugenio, Pamintuan nagmamadali. 2 points Pamintuan. The score is 57, 63 lang po yan. Touchless, it's a foul. Eugenio called for the foul.
Second personal foul.
Ingat lang po ang Spencer, medyo konti pang bench nila. Saldana. Repolyo for 3. No. Nakuha ni Saldana bola. Saldana, 2 points Saldana. Giliena, no. Ayun si Bustos. Escala. Galay, Escala pops up. No good. Escala sa ilalim, pasok ang bola. Nice shot by Galay. Oo nga eh. 2 points. Espelas 2 points. Take note, underman po talaga ngayon ang Spencer. Wala yung kanilang yung dalawang backcourt nila, si Sampales at si Parico. Nakuha nila yung bola. Kick pass to Giliena. Giliena. Oops. Holding foul. Escala. Kaway naman po, ma'am. Kaway po, kaway. Say hi. Ayan, hi. Okay, thank you po. Sige po. Eugenio for 3. Kapos. Short ball. Nakuha po sa bola. Eto na si Repolyo. Repolyo driving. Repolyo. RJ Rason. Anong quarter na, boss? Boss, third quarter na po, sir. At 5 minutes remaining, sir. Shoutout po sa'yo, sir. Pamintong for 3, no. Repolyo. Foul on Eugenio. Kinarating mo nga. Galay, okay, labas mo na si Galay para kay sino ba to? Modesto. Spencer. 64-59. Yagin. Repolyo, Yakin, Escala for 3. Wala. Ayan, si Bo, si Dirk. Nakuha ni Escala. Nakuha number 6. Okay, down.
Substitution.
Escala.
Para
kay Yagin. Para kay Ibarra. Cardinals ball. Giliena versus Ibarra. Nalapitan na. Foul on Yagin. Yagin called for the foul. Warning for penalty. Cardinals, pamintuan for the inbound. Espelas. Side Cebu pops up. No! Giliena for the rebound. 2 points for the putback. Grabe. Sorry. Repolyo, aray! Repolyo for shooting for 2. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, McDonald's Qatar. Kahit tayo nasa Qatar, love pa rin natin to. McDonald's Qatar. Repolyo. First shot. Nope. Labas. And also tip-toe kicks. Quality shoes that never goes out of style. Yan po yung tip-toe kicks. Repolyo, wala nga. Espelas for the rebound. Pamintuan, side crossover move di Pamintuan. Dirk Goroso pasok. Okay, laman na isa. 64-63 at 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes 55 seconds remaining. Ibarra for 3. Nope. And no more. The stipulation is Spencer has to win this game to advance into the semis immediately as number one ranked team in the league. Yagin. Maninang driving. Dirk. Touchless. Sa paa ni Maninang. If Cardinals win this, they will improve their standing. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. Okay, Spencer again, 1 point lead. Repolyo. Repolyo, nagmamadali. Repolyo driving. Land of the Giants. Nope. Maninang. 2 points Maninang. Binawi naman kagad yung Maninang ang bola. Maninang naman. Maninang. Now to Pamintuan. 66-65. 2 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Dirk. Wala. Giliana for the rebound. Escuelas for 3. Nope. Yagi for the rebound. Traveling violation called by Yagi. Subdivision made Johnny Banao. Pinasok mo na kay Repolyo. Pamintuan versus Johnny. Pamintuan driving. And one play, nope. Foul bait lang. Banawa gold for the foul. Pamintuan for 2. First shot ni Pamintuan, nope. This free throw is brought to you by JPX TV. JPX TV. Apparels, highlights, and basketball drills, and many more. Ano po yan ang JPX TV? JPX TV lang ang sakalap. JPX TV. Jerser Yagin, pasok! 3 points ni Yagin kagad. Hinaka na manalo din ang Cardinals to improve their standing. Para makalaban, hindi gano'ng malakas sa quarterfinals. Barroso Dirk, 2 points, 69-67. Pero ang pinakang talaga dyan, ang Spencer lang manalo talaga. Pag natalo, number 3 sila. Bababaan ka ng standing. Agad. Pamintuan, kiniluwa, pasok, tapla. Okay, tight ball game muli po tayo at 69 all. Oop, si Daisy Banawag, 2 points Maninang. Nice shot by Maninang. Nice shot by Maninang. Pamintuan, no. Ganyan. Banawag, 2 points Banawag. And no more. Okay. Ayaw muna. Di pa pala no more. May 53 seconds pa pala tayo. Spencer called for the timeout. This game is also brought to by Tredinitas Apparel, the official outfitter for the Spencer team. And also this game is brought to you by, of course, by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Ando po yun ang Winax Apparel. And Plus International Trading, John's Barbershop, Coach Mike Basketball Movement, Bear Jones Beauty Spa, and many more. Ito po ang yung, of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo mga kababayan. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. 53 seconds remaining on 4-point lead. Pinatay na tayo ng AC ng Perling. Uminit na tayo. Pamintuan for the inbound. 73-69. A 4-point lead been posted by Cardinals basketball team. Spencer trailing behind. Pamintuan driving. Tondok. Good ball. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation called on Spencer team. Banawag. Johnny Banawag. And Yagin. Ibarra, 3 points, no. Pamintuan. Nagmamadali. Pamintuan.
There's a
Foul. 10 seconds remaining.
foul number 10, Banawag.
Banawag called for the foul.
Third personal foul, Banawag.
Banawag, third personal foul. Pamintuan shooting for 2. Andun po yan ang JPX TV. Nasabi na kanina yan. And Winax Apparel also. Don't get out from my house without wearing it. Winax Apparel. Pamintuan. Pasok. 73-71. 10 seconds remaining. Banawag. Johnny, pinhounded by Bondok. Banawag. Galay. Yagin. For 3. Nope. That's it. Third quarter action, Kalas, coming soon. Fourth quarter action. Ito po ang yung PSBQ Basketball League. Huha!
Cardinals ball.
Okay, Cardinals ball. Green ball po tayo. Green ball. Huha! Okay, Aviona, Escala. Repolyo. Nice one! Palakas! Ayun, si Repolyo. Wala pa rin! Pamintuan. Dalawa lang yan. Pamintuan, nakawa ng screen. For 3. Pamintuan for 3. Go! Nando si Bondo. Pamintuan again. Pamintuan. For 3 again. Okay, that's it. Okay, green ball po tayo. Green ball. Cardinals ball po tayo. Cardinals ball. Escala. Repolyo driving, pops up, nope. 2 points Repolyo. Whew. 9 minutes remaining. Apat ang laman ng mga Cardinals. Walang pinasahan. Okay, Spencer ball. Bondok for 3. Nice shot by Bondok. Oh, and 1 play. Okay, sabi referee, papapala, not counted. Bondok called for a foul sa baba po. Referee doesn't give the continuation. Number 30, inbounding ng Cardinals. Escala, Docampo, Repolyo. Foul! It's a foul called.
Foul number 9,
Baltasar called for the foul.
Baltasar.
Repolyo shooting for 2.
Second team foul. Personal foul.
This is brought to you by Plus International Trading. quality juices and candies and many more. Handog po ng Plus International Trading, Repol, Escuelas Inbounding, Pamitol kay for 3. Wala. Nakuha nito Campo. Repolyo. 2 points Repolyo. Again, 3 na naman ang lamang. Oo nga eh. 3 na naman na lamang. Pamintuan. 3 points. Escuelas for 3. 7 minutes remaining sa ating last quarter action sa araw na ito. Escala naman, babawi ba? Nope. Ay si Bara, binabantayan, pasok. Nice one by Ariona. Pamintuan. Driving. Konto for 3. No. One more time. Foul. Ball number 1. Espera, Gilena. Pamintuan, driving again. Escuela naman. Bang! Sinit! Back-to-back 3 points po ang Escuelas. Putting again. 1 point. Repolyo naman. Wala. Repolyo muli. Palpal. Gilena driving. Again, Escuelas naman. No good. Escala floater shot. Wala. 5 minutes. 55 seconds remaining. Pamintuan. Turnaround shot. Wala pa rin. Whew. What a game. Pushing foul code number 1. 2 free throws awarded para kay Pamintuan. Handog po yan ng Trigens Barbershop. The only 100% Pinoy-owned barbershop sa Qatar. 100% Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. Ito po ang Trigens Barbershop. In 3 branches po yan. One in Medina Khalifa North, 1 in Al-Sad, and 1 in, of course, Mansura area in Doha. Trigens Barbershop. Okay, second shot, pasok. Time out called by Cardinals. Cardinals Ayesha and Company. Ay, and Friends. Cardinals Ayesha and Friends.
Back to the building. Cardinals ball.
Cardinals ball po tayo. Cardinals ball. 5 minutes, 50 seconds remaining of the fourth quarter action. Okay, final quarter ball. 17 ng 82 ha. Lamang na naman po. si Ibarra, no! Pamintuan. Galay! Di na sa loob. Nagpasa na lang po rin ha. Escuelas. Pamintuan. Driving. Baltasar! Baltasar 2 points. 2-on-1, 2-on-1 situation. Giliena and one play made. This free throw will be brought to you by Coach Mike Movement, Basketball Drills, and many more po yan. Handle po yan ng Coach Mike Movement. Master skills in the name of basketball.
In this game,
Giliena bonus free throw coming up, and it's pasok. No, it's the bus. Pito kalamangan na po ngayon ng Spencer team. Galay, short stop. Wala, one more time. Galing muli. 2 points, Condesco. Four minutes, 6 seconds remaining. Espuelas. Pops up for 3. No. Condesco. Repolyo. Ibarra. Repolyo. Repolyo driving. Wala. Oh, Kabawi. Kabawi. Repolyo sidestep to Galay. Wala. Contesto fadeaway shot. 2 points. Okay, timeout called by Spencer team. Spencer called for the timeout. Spencer called for the timeout. At 3 minutes 32 seconds remaining. Lamang pa rin po ng tatlo ang Spencer. Binalik sila ni back-to-back 3 points ni Espuelas. Wala yung si Metro Boys, Metro Boys. Okay, ito na. Pamintuan. Double foul committed. Baltasar and Galay. Again. Okay, Spencer again. Galay, 4% pa ni Galay na. Pamintuan. 2 points, Pamintuan. Repolyo, 2 points, Repolyo. Sige, may laro pa yan. Takbo lang yun, Okay, tatlo pa rin. 85-88. Pamintuan, check and pick move. 2 points, Pamintuan. Walang help. 85-90, 2 minutes, 25 seconds remaining, fourth quarter action. Ibarra pops up, 40. 2 points Ibarra, 87-90, tatlo. Pamintuan. Good ball. Repolyo. Escuelas. Nakawala. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Ibarra. Galay. Ibarra, pops up, shortstop, pasok. A minute, 22 seconds remaining. Escuelas. Escuelas. Pops up. Wala. Nako ni Bustos. Critical rebound. Okay, ito kinakailan. Mashoot nila to. Modesto. Kapos. Pamintuan. Pamintuan driving. No, labas muna. Labas muna. Pamintuan. Walang foul. 20 seconds remaining. Nakuha. Escuelas. Pops up. No. Repolyo called for a foul. Repolyo. Escuela shooting for 200 point ng Bay Jones. Beauty Spa. Transform beauty by degrees. 100 point ng Bay Jones Beauty Spa. And also of course, Janice Gumetio. Available in Team Spicy and Team Original. Mamili po kayo Janice Gumetio. Escuelas shooting for the second free throw. Pasok. Okay, 89-91. Yagin, papasok muna para kay Galay. Kay Bundok naman, si Eugenio para naman sa Spencer. Okay, bowling. Bowling ball. Bowling pass. Okay, ito na. Repolyo. Yagin. Repolyo. Driving. Binawi, pasok ang bola. Deadlock tayo, 22 seconds remaining. 22 seconds remaining, 91 all. Eugenio, binabantayan, double team na. Pamintuan. Isolation play. 6 seconds. Pamintuan. Nope. And it's a foul, holding foul. Woo! Cardinals penalty, a tough break. It's a tough break.
1 second.
A tough call, grabe. Tough break.
Mag-overtime ba o hindi siya free throw? Free throw din Baltasar.
Okay.
Nakasalalay.
Boss Velasco. Ang score po natin 91 all. 1 second remaining pero magpi-free throw si Baltasar na Spencer.
Ang advance for semis.
Nasa kami ni Baltasar ang advance ng Spencer ngayon. Baltasar, first shot. Pasok! Okay, that's it.
Second shot from Baltasar.
Okay, timeout. Eto na. This is now the last play of the game. And last play of the regulation season before we go to the laglagang portion. O nga, last play na to. Ibarra. They're gonna give it to Ibarra for sure. Ibarra lang may ano. Ibarra yan, catch and shoot yun eh. Ibarra yan, tansya ko. Ibibigay Ibarra yan. Hindi, pwede. They'll go for 14 seconds. 14 seconds.
Okay.
14 seconds yan. 14 seconds yan.
1 second.
Oh. Kukunin ni Ibarra yan. Nasi Ibarra. They will look for Ibarra. Ibarra. Cut and shoot. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Congratulations in winning and advancing to the semis. As a number 1 team sa ligang ito is Team Spencer. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa lahat. And this your host, RG Vlogs with you. Along with the name of Ison and company po. And the team, table team, Kumita and QBR full of referees. This is your best BQ Basketball League. Next week po muli po tayo. Just join us again for next week basketball action every Tuesday night from 10 PM onwards sa aming FB page po. And also, to watch it live po, punta lang po kayo sa, of course, the Perling Season International School in Doha. Ito po yung PSBQ Basketball League. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat and thank you po. Bye. Sir, congratulations po for Team Spencer to clinching the first semi-final seat sa ligang ito. And how do you feel po, sir? Mukhang take note, kulang-kulang pa kayo. Wala yung mga ibang mga big man nyo and also yung dalawang backcourt nyo.
Siguro tiwala lang sa tiwala lang sa player, tapos yung pinagpagura namin nagbunga din. At least nakarating sa semifinal, kahit naman kulang, pero yung puso nung wala dito, nandito sila kasama sa panalangin nila. Yung panalo namin sa gabing ito, inaalay namin unang-una sa Panginoon.
Amen, okay.
Okay. Pangalawa, doon sa prayer nung hindi nakarating dahil pagod sa trabaho. Pangatlo sa mga player, kahit 7 lang kami, pero lumaban, ginamit yung puso para manalo.
Okay, with it po. Sir, any words po sa sponsor nyo, ay sa supporters ng Spencer Basketball Team? Batiin nyo sila and also, of course, yung family members nyo po, sir.
Salamat ka pala sa sa nagbigay ng sponsor ng uniform.
Trading Needs.
Bilson at Trading Needles.
Okay.
Salamat po sa suporta nyo. Si Sir Manny Tamato, salamat din po sa pagpunta, panood sa game at sa suporta po. At sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas.
Okay, good.
Salamat po sa lahat sa suporta nyo din sa akin.
Thank you po, sir. Muli po, good luck po sa semis po. Sir, kung papalarin po, sir, maglaban. Sino who will you want to root, sir? Yung mga kalaban nyo. Kung sino yung gusto inintay yung kalaban sa semis. Yung number 4 na lalabas po. After ng quarterfinals.
Kahit naman sino, basta parang competitive lang yung game, walang masasaktan.
Sige.
Yun siguro, panalangin natin na lahat na maglalaro, medyo mahinahon, hindi mainit ang ulo para maganda yung laban.
Sige, good.
Yun lang naman.
Mabili po, congratulations po for reaching the first semi-final seat po is Spencer Team. Thank you po. Baltasar, congratulations po for clinching the first semi-final seat po sa Class D Division ng PSBQ Basketball League. Sir, tell me, sir, how you feel, sir? As of now, sir. But take note, kulang kayo pero nalig kayo, tiyak. Nalig kayo. Sige.
Bukod sa pagod, masaya kami kasi kami yung unang nakapasok sa semis. So at least secured na kami. Para din naman sa amin yun. Hindi na kami makikipag-mulat sa quarters.
Ano pong paano mo, sir? Magpa-practice kayo para pagandahan yung semi-finals match yun, tiyak? May pag-practice kayo o group chat na lang?
Depende kay coach.
Kay coach na ngayon lang. Okay, sir, batiin mo yung pamilya po, sir. Family supporters nyo, friends nyo, or fans nyo?
Sa asawa ko, sa pamilya ko, sa mga anak ko, tsaka sa absolute friends. Shout out.
Okay, muli po, thank you po. This is Mr. Baltasar. And also congratulations po to winning the game and also clinching the first semi-final seat po sa aming ligang ito. 3, 2, 1.